Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a parcel from Misho. Let's open it. So it's a journal kit, so you guys can guess what would be my next video. Yeah, they give me a free gift. Wow, it's a washing machine tablet. Let's open the seal. Ah, finally it's open. So at first I have this kind of stickers. I think it is for indicate any specific date. Next I have these two sellotape. One is brown and second is some kind of aesthetic. Yeah, next I have this kind of notes. First one look like sticky note but does not contain any glue. Next I have two envelope. Wow, two aesthetic envelope. It's just awesome. It's too good. Next I have this kind of stamps. It's not the real stamp. It made with cardboard. Wow, there are too many. Look, this is a pastry stamp. Wow. And this is a lady. This is also aesthetic and yeah, there are so many stamps. Look, this is also a baking stamp. Here it is. Next I have stickers. It's not sticker, it is a paper, a colorful paper, aesthetic colorful paper printed. And these are the stickers. Yes, these are the stickers. It is also aesthetic. There are some color stickers. This, and this also. Oh, there are some more. Here are some transparent with phrases. Next I have this This is not stamp. Here some card type. Look, all are aesthetic. Look, let's see what next. Oh, some paper, colorful paper. Not only colorful, it's printed also. Wow, wow, this maroon is too good. I think there is one more left. Yeah, this is brown color. So that is all. So that is all what I receive in the box. Oh no, I just forget about the journal diary. Yeah, it is the journal diary. You can see the cover. You can see the cover. I can remove the cover also. This contain too many pages.